Hi, I'm Jackie.
And I'm Monique. We hear you're in the market for a new townhome.
I bet there's a lot on your must-have list. Let's see if we can check them all off at Thornton Grove Townhomes.
Must-have number 1, a floor plan that is both functional and a place that you're proud of. Can you imagine hosting a movie night with your friends in this open concept floor plan? At the end of the day, you'll love your spacious owner retreat. Then there are 2 extra bedrooms for family, friends, guests, or even a home office. Since it's your home, it's your choice.
Must-have number 2, less money out of pocket. At Thornton Grove Townhomes, we're making homeownership simple by including all of your appliances, even your washer and dryer. So no need to save for those big ticket items.
Must-have number 3, owning a new home in a location that you love. At Thornton Grove Townhomes, you're able to enjoy your home while being 1.5 miles from Valley Parkway, I-24, and only 8 miles from downtown Nashville. From Broadway to Germantown to 12th South and more, there may never be a chance to own a brand new home at such an affordable price while still being so close to everything that's happening.
So did we check everything off your must-have list? Take the next step, come in and see us. We can't wait to welcome you to Thornton Grove Townhomes.